One of the most commonly asked questions I've been getting lately is, Doctor, what supplement should I take to help me get my butt enlarged or my hips enlarged? Is there any cream? Is there any supplement? What can I do? I really want to get my hips up. I really want to get my butt big. This has been one of the commonest questions so far. But many of them have come to my DM asking for solution, the cream to take and supplement, and I'm like, should I be sincere to you, or should I just tell you what you want to hear? Because a lot of people don't want to hear the truth. Some people tell me the truth. Okay, so I want to tell you the truth here and now. The truth is, there is no supplement wherever they make it from, wherever it is made from. There is no supplement that will help your butt enlarged permanently. There is no supplement that will make your hips get bigger permanently. Nope. That is why I don't recommend such. When people come to me asking me for a solution, I tell them, calm down. There is no supplement. What people are hyping is just for them to sell their product. People you see hyping, this one go make your this big, go make this one big, on a wash. It doesn't work. Go let work. Pay attention. It doesn't work. I said it doesn't work. All of them is just trying to sell their product. If it actually works, what do you think makes all the celebrities go and do surgery? No, come on. If they can take supplement and it will work, why are they doing surgery? Why are they wasting bunch of money just to do plastic surgery? If it actually works, it doesn't work. Many people have tried it and they work. So I don't want to recommend any for you. If you really want to improve your hips or your butt, start eating proteinous food. Protein helps your muscles get enlarged. It helps your muscles. Engage in exercise. If you can eat more of protein and more of exercise, you will see some changes. It will take time. It will not happen overnight. It is not what's going to happen in a month, 2 months. No. It might take years, 2 years, 3 years, but you will see changes. If you begin to eat protein, you begin to take exercises serious, you will see improvement, but it will not be that big. Hey, it will not be that big. So don't allow anybody deceive you into buying products of 18,000, 20,000 just because you want to get your hips enlarged. It doesn't work. Oh.